Hello there, my children. Welcome to the second installment of Satanic Mathematics. Today, we will be discussing rules of operations in the Satanic foil method. I'm going to assume you developed a moderate understanding of what the Lucifer constant and the pentagram variable is, so I'm going to be using a satanic equation in this example, a rather not so complex but a rather popular one that I use very often. So, here's the equation. It's 2 over pentagram plus or minus 3.756 minus JFAG, which stands for Jesus, then 2 times placeholder variable times to the second 7 minus Baphomet. Now, to get rid of Jesus, you need to multiply all by L, and all you remember is L equals Lucifer constant. So, you get this and you multiply 2 by 777.5. Give me a second here. Give me 1 minute. Alright, 2 times 777.5 over pentagram variable. We leave that alone. Plus or minus the square root of 3.756 minus G-fag. Yeah, now we multiply that by 7, by L, sorry. Multiply that by L. And we always leave the bottom alone. So placeholder, variable, multiplied to the second power, 7 minus Baphomet. Negative Baphomet. And what we always do with the negative Baphomet is we have to get rid of it, because negative Baphomet is equal to anything that's infinitely negative or infinitely positive. So it's anything in between. And when it's negative infinite, it can really fuck your shit up. So, we multiply the top, which is 1,555, over pentagram, which is a very, very common spell into in itself, which doubles your satanic powers. Let me just write down for anyone who's too fucking stupid to really get it. So plus or minus. Yeah. So we do that calculation in the, so we do that, 2,920. And as you can see, we've got rid of JFAG, which really makes this problem much, much more complicated. So what we do with this 2 right here is we multiply it by pentagram. And as you remember, pentagram equals 666. So that's why we have this placeholder over here, so we store that number in there. And then we can use this placeholder to get rid of Baphomet, negative Baphomet. So that makes this problem a lot easier, trust me. Seems like a lot of work, but it can really unfuck your shit up when you cast this. So, we got rid of the placeholder, so it's 2 to the square times 7, and then we place 0 there, because we need another placeholder. So, let me just try to find another place here where I could write. Okay, right here. So, we find the square root of 2,920. So we just write that here. 2,920. So we find the square root. That equals to, let's see here. That equals to, so that equals to 54 point, let's see here, 0. Let me move over here. It goes 54.037. Now, what we're supposed to do here is use the altered dimension property. So I'm gonna use that. So use the altered dimension. I'll write dim for short. Take notes, please. I don't want to go over this shit again. Oh, wait. Fucked up. I meant to say, use the altered dimension rule. The rule, which is, you take... Alright, let me finish writing the program here for a second. You take the last number and the second number, if it's 2 digits, and replace it like so. And this alters the dimension limit so you have more leeway when you cast your spell. So you get 70.43. Just moved around in here a little bit. Okay. Alright. Oh, give me a minute. Fucked up a little bit right there. You scratch this shit out because you don't need it anymore. It's an inferior number. We'll talk about those later. So put in 70. Oh fuck, I already forgot. 70.435. There we go. Now, okay. Now what we do is put it over here. And you want to subtract. Yes, you want to subtract that, which is a sub-equal number, to 1,555. And what this does is it estimates the energy cost it would take to cast this spell. So, yeah, just bring it over here. That will get you... fucked up. Doing all the math in my head, it's hard, man. I haven't done this shit in a while. So, 1,484.565. Now you want to take the decimal number and the real number, or the whole number, I should say. Put the whole number on top and the decimal on the bottom, and you want to divide. Yeah, you want to divide that. So do the math. Let me just do the math in my head, alright. So 2.62. Alright. So you want to put that in the placeholder that you made before when you got rid of Baphomet, negative Baphomet. So let's scroll down here. Alright. So you put it right into 0. So you got 2.6 times to the squared, negative, I'm sorry, not negative, times to the squared 7. Now what you want to do is multiply 2.62 times 7 first. Don't mind the exponent in the times sign right there. And then you get, what do you get? Let's see. You get 0.34. Now what you want to do is square 2.62, so you get 6.864. Alright. Now what you want to do is get the last number of the decimal and add it to the first integer. Alright. So that'll get you 5. Then you want to add these. Cross these out. You're done with them. And you get 15.2. Now, what this does is it estimates how many satanic centaurs you would need to sacrifice to kill Jesus. Yes. This is a very popular equation to determine the amount of power you would need. So thank you for watching. And I hope you stick around to the 3rd lesson. Thank you. Faggot.